welcome back. I did say that we would be back, and here we are. So we've managed to land ourselves a private track day down at the Motorplex. Thank you to Lorenzo for organising that. So there's a few of us that'll be going down there. Looking forward to it because everything will be at our own time rather than having to get the car back, turn it around and get back out again. So that will be some good fun. No pressure with that one. Just getting ourselves ready for the day. Just got to load the car up. Lauren has been around and managed to do up some extra supports for our windows. So for our doors, we're having some issues still, even though with these ones being installed, still a little bit of pressure coming through. So hopefully this here will help us. Thanks Lauren for doing that, I really appreciate it. Not sure what Jeff has planned for us today. I think we're going to have a look at a little bit of suspension changes. Because of the ladder bar that we have, we don't have a lot of power at the moment coming off the line, so we're going to see if we can improve on that. He definitely has the hard part. I've got the easy part of just jumping in and driving, so it is scary and a lot of mind power, I suppose, goes behind it, but the real technical part is what he does, and that's what gets us the good numbers. So looking forward to seeing what we do. The previous experience, we've had a PB off the trailer, and then from there we kind of slow down a little bit. But usually our first one off the trailer is our best one for the day, so hopefully we can do that again. But yeah, looking forward to it. Stick around.
So I made a couple of suspension changes. Alright, so it might feel a little bit different off the line. If it doesn't feel right, you don't have to stay in it.
First one's always the worst one.
How'd that feel?
Well, Lauren told me, but I really didn't think, I thought I didn't even PB.
Damn it, she stole my glory.
I felt like I was like, how?
No, just did it. 850. And get a 1357 and a 60 foot, so...
I rolled too quickly to the second bulb and it threw me. That's why my reaction was super shit.
Ah, that's what it is.
That did not feel like it at all. Like I was like, I didn't PB. That was, yeah.
Straight off the trailer again. It's just the PB machine. Feel good?
I felt shit taking off. I was like, fuck. It's a weird feeling. Am I going? Am I not going? I think I'm going.
Second run in, we PB'd off the trailer at an 850, so this car usually slows down after that.
reaction was better. Had to drive through it a little bit still.
Just quickly, do you have a tank? Your tank's in the boot, hey?
Yeah, is it leaking?
Have you got, have you got a pipe that goes down on the left-hand side of the car? Or is it leaking out somewhere else?
I don't know. Let's have a look-see.
Yeah, we're just leaking out of this side somewhere. Is it methanol or?
Nah, just E85, and I've got the water tank at the front right corner.
No, it's odd. It was coming out of this back corner, definitely.
Yeah.
It's all dry now.
Yeah.
That's alright.
The left corner.
I was just making sure the tank wasn't split or anything.
Yeah.
It's alright.
I'll get them to check it when I get back.
Thank you very much for that.
It's alright. Better reaction. Still not great, but better than what it was at least. Hopefully another PB, but we shall see.
Yes! 160. Oh shit, look at that! 40 and a half, man. Pretty good. Yeah, good.
How'd that feel?
It was alright. He said as I pulled around the corner, there was a bit of something coming out of the back left corner, so I had to check the fuel tank, but it didn't seem like anything was wet in the back.
We'll have a look.
Yeah,
we'll
but I'm assuming it was a PB.
You did an 840 and you did a 1268 and
How's the mile an hour as well?
160. Yeah. PBs all around.
Did that feel faster?
It's feeling all the same now.
Because it's a good track.
Yeah,
It's a tight
I did
track.
have to, compared to the first one, I did have to like drive that one a bit more. The first one was pretty straight. That one was a little bit, but still
Yeah.
a lot better than the last events.
Just bring that second bulb on a little bit.
Yeah. That had to be good. Let's see what we did this time round. I don't think my reaction was as good, but I reckon that was a PB. If it wasn't, it'd have to be close. It'd be 8.4, very low 8.4. What did we get?
Turn the light on.
I can't see.
You got another PB.
Woo.
You did a 8427.
Yep.
You did a 1258 in the 60.
Mile an hour went up.
Yeah, you went up by 1 mile an hour. You did better in the 8th mile. You did a 5.3 in the 8th, and it was a 5.4 before.
Yep.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, looked alright.
Yeah.
Looks good. Yeah, went straight. Nothing happened in here, I'm assuming.
No, it was fun.
Good.
It's good. Good
Sweet.
squishy.
Good squishy. The
Yeah.
window didn't pop out.
Yeah, it did.
Okay.
It doesn't. It's hard to tell now because it's getting darker, but
Yeah. Not as bad.
yeah. All right.
Alright. Let's turn around. How'd you feel?
Good.
Good. There's your light balls.
Still a bit sleepy on my reaction, but
It's only test and tune. What do you think your reaction was?
not good.
No, it's a 0.066. Not bad.
Okay.
Not bad.
That's probably 0.06. Is that my best? 0.066. I think it might.
Could be,
Be.
actually.
Let's have a
Besides
look.
that 009.
Yeah. On the Pro Tree, I think it's the best one.
Yep. What do you reckon you went?
I don't know if it will be much different. If not, is it like closest? I reckon it'd be closer to a 8.4, like the low end.
Nah. You did an 8.375. Yeah. Another PB. Did a 122 to the 60 and a 5.343 to the 8th.
Is that better than the last one? Or?
Yeah.
I pulled it from here too.
Did you go? It was alright or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I did it at the right time, like whether I did it a little bit earlier. I came off the accelerator a little bit earlier to like allow for it, but
Yeah.
I thought I'd give it a go because, like Lauren said, it's pretty straight out there. So
Yeah. It's a good track.
good time to do it.
Yeah. High fives. You did well.
That's PB day of PBs.
Every run in a PB. That's living.
All right. Fogging up.
Be safe.
Yeah.
Love you. Don't get your headlights.
Felt good. Let's go. Each pass is feeling better and better. That probably be another PB. If it's not, very close again. An 8.3, but I don't know what. So Lundy came in after me, so poor guy didn't have a good run. Got his heart rate up. Didn't launch, didn't leave how we would have liked to, but so I think we'll probably try and get one more for the night. Maybe two if we're lucky. Be a successful night. I had to pack my own chute.
Oh no!
Yeah, I couldn't get my hands up.
How did that feel?
Lundy said he didn't have a good run.
No, yeah, got a bit wobbly there.
Yeah, he got to the end and he's like, whew. And I was like, no good. And he's like, Poor guy. That was good. Good one?
That was a good one.
I know it was an 8.3 because Lundy told me, but I don't know if it was 8.3 better or 8.3 worse.
8.366.
So what's that?
Better.
Woo!
I think you did 8.375 before.
8.37. Yeah.
You did 161 miles.
Yep. So it crept up a little bit again because I think it went to 160 miles in the last one.
Yep. You did a 0.054 reaction time.
Woo!
And you did a 121 of the 60.
That's I think the other one's in that box.
Yeah, it was 122 before.
Yeah.
And 340 to the 330 and a 5.3 to the 660. Another PB. PBs all round.
Yes. Alrighty. Let's get it going again. So, a little bit short. That might be us done, I think. Really good night. How many passes did we get? 6 or 5?
5 or 6. Yeah, what before? I don't know, I can't remember.
PBs each one, which was really good. Track, this last one I still felt fine. Obviously I don't know what is good and what is bad, but Lundy went down and he said it was a bit dewy, so if he's going to call it, probably means we're going to call it. another one in next month. The plan is to get one in each month over the next few months, so hopefully we're available when they are on. So that'll be, yeah, good fun. Definitely
good.
enjoying it.
Managed to get the world's longest ladder bar to go quick in the 60, so that's a win too.